I'm sorry. I did it. But there, no sorry. And you're fired. Get out. Gosh, do it. Wait a minute. Reference wanted. Oh boy, get ready to the job. What? Say, what happened to the wall? Who'll get a fix of a boy? Hey, there he is. Hey, boss, excuse me. Hello. What? May I join for a rent rented? Oh, so you wanna let me join? Oh yeah, I'm not just the smartest, I'm like the strongest. Oh, I'll show you about big strong enough. Oh yeah, I'll show you about strongness. Okay, here we go. Well. Ha! Well, you know. Yeah, sir. So how would I start? Up right there to that top wall. Now get to work. Oof. So how would I get up there? Like this. I'm getting dizzy. I have a fear of heights. That was a close one. Yeah, not again. I can walk. Hey, you! Don't be a scary cat. Ah, buzz off. What do you say? Nothing, boss. Do it again, tough guy. I'm not surprised now. Get to work right now. Okay, jeez. Why did I stop here? Start. Come on, working, hurry up. What's this on? My hat. Look off nails. We're gonna get to start this. Oh, you are you. Hey, come here. That hurts. No. My paperwork.
Like that what?
What was that? Would you cut it out? Stop it! You makes me nervous. I'm very so hungry and... Hey, Donald! Can you give me a help?
Yes, I will help you.
Here we go. My bread. I'm sorry, I'll try again. You like a coffee? Yeah. I'm sorry, I will try again. So, you would like some? You want it? Oopsie. Why are you? I'm gonna hide. Oh my! You're trapped. Oh no! That's your crazy giant sin.